take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting go of everything that no longer serves me. I am safe. I am healing. God's light surrounds me. I allow myself to settle into this sacred moment. I release tension from my body. My shoulders soften. My jaw relaxes. My chest opens. My heart welcomes calm and divine love. With each breath, I feel lighter. With each exhale, I release worry, fear, and stress. I am present. I am here. I am connected to the divine light of God. I imagine a soft golden light above me, warm, pure, and full of love. This light is God's presence, shining gently down upon me, filling my mind, my heart, my entire being with peace. The golden light moves slowly down, through the crown of my head, through my forehead, relaxing every thought, through my eyes, softening every vision, through my cheeks and jaw, releasing tension, through my neck and shoulders, allowing them to drop relaxed and free. I breathe in God's love. I breathe out all heaviness and pain. Now the light flows into my chest, into my heart, filling every corner with warmth, calm, and healing energy. I am safe. I am loved. I am healing. I imagine the light spreading through my arms, down to my hands, fingers soft, loose, relaxed. I imagine the light flowing into my stomach, my hips, my legs, all the way down to my feet, rooting me to the earth, grounded in God's presence. I am connected to the earth. I am connected to divine love. I am calm. I am whole. With every breath, I feel more at peace, more aligned, more healed. I whisper to myself, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. Now I focus on my breathing, inhaling calm, exhaling tension, inhaling light, exhaling fear. Every inhale brings me closer to peace. Every exhale releases all heaviness. I imagine a gentle stream of golden light flowing around me, surrounds me completely, softly, gently, protecting me, healing me, filling me with divine love. I feel gratitude for this moment. Gratitude. Light. I feel lighter, freer, more at peace. I am grounded in divine love. I am connected to God. I am healing. Now, I visualize a soft golden light in my heart. It grows brighter with every breath, filling my chest, my arms, my body, expanding beyond, into the room, the earth, the universe. I am surrounded by divine light. I am safe. I am calm. I repeat, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I imagine God's light entering every part of my mind, calming my thoughts, replacing worry with peace, replacing fear with love. I am at peace. I am safe. I am healing. I allow myself to feel this peace deeply. Allow it to fill every cell, every organ, every fiber of my being. I am whole. I am restored. I am healed. I breathe in divine light. I breathe out all tension. I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I am safe. I am healing. God's light surrounds me. I focus now on my heart, feeling the golden light growing brighter, filling me with warmth, love, and divine energy. Any pain, sorrow, or heaviness that I've carried, I now release fully into God's light, transforms into peace, transforms into love. I am surrounded by divine protection. I am supported by God's presence. I am free from fear. I imagine now that this divine light flows through my mind, clearing worries, clearing doubts, clearing every negative thought. I breathe in clarity and calm. I breathe out confusion and stress. I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I now visualize myself in a sacred place. It may be a beautiful garden, a serene mountain, or a peaceful river. Every detail is calm, safe, and comforting. God's light shines on this place, illuminating every corner, and I am fully present here, fully at peace. I feel divine love entering every part of my being, from my head to my toes, filling my entire body with warmth, light, and healing. I whisper softly, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I now focus on my breathing. With each inhale, I invite God's light deeper into my body. With each exhale, I release all tension, all fear, all resistance. I am aligned with divine energy. I am calm, centered, and at peace. I imagine now golden light surrounding my entire body, creating a protective bubble of divine love. Nothing can disturb me. Nothing can harm me. I am completely safe, completely at peace. I repeat quietly, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I feel God's light entering my heart, filling it with forgiveness, gratitude, and love. I release any lingering resentment or sadness. I am free. I am healed. I am renewed. I am safe. I am calm. I am healing. God's light surrounds me. I now allow myself to surrender completely, releasing every worry, every fear, every burden. I place it all into God's loving hands, and I trust that it is being transformed into peace and healing. I am light. I am calm. I am free. I feel divine energy flowing through me, entering my body through the crown of my head, filling every part of me, healing every wound, mending every part of my spirit. I am safe. I am protected. I am loved. That I now focus on any areas of my body where I feel tension or discomfort. I send God's light to these areas. Soft, warm, golden light, melting away pain, releasing all tightness, filling every muscle, every cell, every organ with healing. I feel peace spreading through my body, from my head to my heart, to my arms, my hands, my legs, my feet. I am healed. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I now imagine a golden light entering my mind, calming all racing thoughts, replacing worry with trust, replacing fear with love, replacing confusion with clarity. I whisper gently, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I imagine now a gentle waterfall of divine light, pouring over me, washing away all past pain, all lingering fear, all uncertainty. I am renewed. I am light. I am calm. That I now focus on my heart, feeling God's love filling it completely. I am forgiven. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I am free. I am peaceful. I am healed. I repeat quietly, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. I now imagine myself completely surrounded by golden light, a cocoon of divine energy. I am safe, calm, and fully at peace. Nothing can disturb me. Nothing can harm me. I am held. I am loved. I am healed. I am safe. I am healing. God's light surrounds me. I now focus on my inner self. I allow God's light to enter every corner of my mind, body, and soul, filling me with warmth, love, and deep healing energy. Any remaining sadness, doubt, or fear, I release completely, place it into God's light, and I trust that it is being transformed into peace, love, and renewal. I am light. I am calm. I am whole. That I imagine now golden rays of God's light entering my heart, expanding with each breath, filling my chest, my arms, my entire body. I feel rejuvenated, restored, and renewed. I whisper gently, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me. Now focus on my mind, seeing every thought bathed in golden light, calming any worry, any confusion, replacing it with clarity, peace, and divine guidance. I am connected to God's infinite wisdom. I am safe. I am healing. I now imagine myself surrounded by a gentle, glowing sphere of divine light. It shields me from negativity, protects me from stress, fills me completely with love and calm. I am calm. I am protected. I am healed. I now visualize my entire body, every cell bathed in golden light, every organ, muscle, and fiber renewed and restored. I feel divine energy flowing through me, healing, restoring, and calming. I am safe. I am loved. I am at peace. I repeat quietly, I am healing. I am safe. God's light surrounds me.